Can civil law protect your property rights in court? Have you ever wondered how the law can help you keep your property safe? Well, civil law is here to play a vital role in protecting your property rights in court. Civil law deals with disputes between private parties, which includes issues related to ownership, use, and transfer of property. If you own property and feel that your rights have been violated, such as through unlawful taking or trespass, you can take action. You have the right to file a civil lawsuit to seek remedies like damages or an injunction to stop the violation. This means you can ask the court to intervene and help you reclaim your rights. Property rights are mainly enforced through state civil law. This includes various statutes and common law principles that define what lawful ownership and use look like. When a dispute arises, courts interpret these laws and apply them to the specific facts of the case. For instance, if a neighbor builds a fence that crosses onto your land, you can file a civil suit to stop the encroachment and possibly recover damages. One important aspect of civil law is eminent domain. This is when the government takes private property for public use, but they must provide just compensation. Courts oversee these cases to ensure that your rights are respected. The Takings Clause of the Fifth Amendment protects against the government taking property without fair compensation. Civil courts also handle claims related to regulatory takings. This occurs when government regulations limit how you can use your property so severely that it effectively takes away its value. In such cases, you may seek compensation or challenge the validity of the regulation through civil lawsuits. It is essential to know that property rights are not absolute. The government has police power to impose certain restrictions to protect public health, safety, and welfare. This means that some limitations on property use may not require compensation if they serve legitimate public interests. From the perspective of the courtroom, civil law provides the framework for property owners to assert and defend their rights. Civil trials involve presenting evidence and legal arguments, with judges and juries interpreting laws and making decisions that uphold property rights. In practice, civil law protects your property rights by offering a legal path to resolve disputes, enforce contracts, and challenge improper government actions. While constitutional protections exist, civil courts are where property rights are defended and adjudicated, making civil law essential for safeguarding your property in court.